Alright, you are welcome back. Today we are having chemistry and then we have a question on the board to solve. A gaseous metallic chloride MClX consists of 20.22% of M by mass. The formula of the chloride is dash. So M is given to be the relative molecular mass of M is given to be 27 gram, and that of the chloride is given to be 35.5 gram. So this question is from the topic empirical and molecular formula of compounds, and then the subtopic is under the empirical formula, to be precise. Before anything, I will have to differentiate between the empirical formula and that of the molecular formula. Empirical formula is the whole number ratio of atoms in a compound. So while the molecular formula is the exact number of atoms in the molecule of a compound. So having done that, so let's attempt the question. So a gaseous metallic chloride consists of 20.22% of M by mass, and then we are asked to find the formula of that particular chloride. So solution. So you bring out your metallic, the metallic uh, elements, then your chloride will be here. So the first challenge that many students normally face under this is that they will be like, sir, we are giving the metallic element to be 20.22. So how are we going to calculate that of the chloride? So because the chloride is not that of the chloride, the percentage composition by mass, the percentage composition of the chloride is not given, not indicated. So how you are going to do this is very, very simple. You just subtract the amount, the percentage for metallic, the metallic element, subtract it from 100. So here we go. Supposing we have 100.00, so 20.22, 20.22. So 2, you transfer 1 here. So that here we have 10, subtract it, we have 8. Here remainder 9. 2 from 9, that would be 7. So here, so we have we have 90 here. So 0. Here we have 9. So 9 here we have so 9 remain here. 2 minus 9, that will be 7, and that will be 79.78. 79.78. So here you have successfully calculated the percentage by mass, the percentage composition of the chloride. So the next thing you are going to do is to divide by the relative molecular mass. Here for the metal we have 27. Here also we have 35.5. As a very smart student looking at this, so you should know that this 20.22 is not up to 27, so this should give you something below 1. If you do it very well, so you are going to get 0.75. This also 79.78 divided by 35.5. So 35.5 in 2 places, that will give you 70, and you can see this is 79.78. So as a very smart student, you should know that at least, even if you are not using calculator, you should know that the answer that this one should give you should be above 2. So if you use your calculator now and doing it very well, so you are going to get 2.25. And the next stage is that you divide by the smallest. Which one is smaller between 0.75 and 2.25? We have 0.75 as the smaller one, then divide by 0.75. This one also 0.75. So this one will give you 1. So and then when you do this very well, it's going to give you 3. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, the final answer, that is the formula of the chloride in question, is going to be M then Cl3, which this is the empirical formula of that compound, which means that in forming that compound, so as we are picking 1 mole of the metallic element, we'll be picking 3 molecules of the chloride ion. So thank you very much. Don't forget again the pitfalls for this aspect. Is that anytime this kind of question is being asked, so the pitfall is in the how to determine the second percentage by percentage composition, and it's very simple. Since there are two, M and Cl, and you are given one, so you all you need to do is just to subtract the one you are given from 100%, and verily I say unto you, your answer will be jumping out. Thank you very much for viewing.